Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update the outer valves to without errors. I show you guys how to do it. Here is the update list. As you can see, I have the first and second update. As you can see, first update and second update. Before updating it, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And now minimize this page and you just need to open the first update that has 4 parts. Just drag it like this so you can able to see the parts. Just right click on the part 1 and select WinRAR and select extract here option. This will extract all remaining parts as well. This is a extract method. And now you just need to open the extracted application and select yes option and select language and select OK and select next and select the game folder. In my case, here it is. This is my game folder. Select the game folder and select OK and then select next. And you will get this message already exits. Select the yes option and select next and change in game username. Type the name and then select next and select install. After this installation done, uncheck this optional and select finish. And now go back and open the second update folder. I just make it folder too easy to understand, guys. So I opened this folder. As you can see, this is the one 4.0 to 4.1. Just right click on the rar file and select WinRAR and select the extract here option. After the extract done, open the application. Select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the language and select OK. And then select next and select next. Select the browse option and select the game folder and then select OK and then select next. You will get this option already exits. Select the yes option and select next. Change in game username, type the name you want and then select next and select install. After the installation done, uncheck these both options and select finish. And now we have successfully updated the game. And now delete the updated files and open the Windows security and turn on the real-time protection and then open the game. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.